And if you meet somebody like that, right, and they want to cross the bridge and get into the cloud, where should they start? And I mean, it's a very confused and noisy world out there. So where should they start? What are the 3 things they need to consider? So we can start from your side. You can just give it a go.
So what's important for them is first, do they have a cloud strategy in place? If they have built a cloud strategy, when you said they have, they already have taken some initiatives, they would have built a plan or a strategy in-house, right? So if they have a cloud strategy in place, they have to reconsider it when exactly they have created. Is it pre-COVID or post-COVID? Because we have seen a lot of changes happen in the business models, right? The business models are, irrespective of any industry, the business models have evolved. So if they already have one but they're not sure about it, right? They have to really spend some time on aligning their business, the technology team, business team, and versus the digital outcomes what they're looking at, and try to marry this with the transformation plan. If they don't have one, right, they're trying to create something. They've done something in bits and pieces, but it is all of ad hoc basis and need basis. They've done some, tested the waters in cloud, but they don't have a wholesome strategy built. They should look at consulting companies or born in cloud companies like Minfy, and try to build a cloud adoption strategy or a roadmap for them.
So what I'm hearing is, if you have a strategy and you have not refreshed it, especially post-pandemic, right? We are talking about remote work and all kinds of changes. It's better to revisit and get it solidified. Okay. And let's say I have a strategy, right? Now, what's the next step? What should I do? Should I jump in and try myself, or what's the next step?
So, creating an internal business case for the transformation is super critical, because it's not just going to be done by one team, right? This is multiple teams coming together, right? Alignment of your application team, your security team, your IT team, and your vendors, right? You have multiple vendors. So what is recommended is work with consulting companies, or if you are already having certain system integrators helping you, or in your current preview of engagement with your current partners and vendors, right? So creating a business case, or a directional business case, I would call it as a directional business case, to see what kind of benefits I would get, and then you try to evangelize this to a larger ecosystem, or to your board or your top management, right? And then pursue it further, right?
So should I create a budget for it, or
it's not really required, because most of the hyperscalers today has created wonderful programs which will support you to do this exercise, and it's funded by them, right? So if you're looking to build a business case, come to us, right? So company like us, we do that. So you don't have to invest, you have to just go identify the right partner or hyperscaler of your choice, and we do it as part of certain programs, which is it's part of the hyperscaler programs, right? So you can do it through them.